Hey there Internet, Mitchell here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change and rig ready Rams. Today we're going to be looking at one of our newest trade-ins. It is a 2019 Ram 1500 Limited in beautiful red pearl. It has the 5.7 box on it, has the dual exit exhaust. It also has the front and rear park sensors, class 4 hitch receiver with your 4 and 7 pin trailer wiring connectors. You also have the chrome badging on it since it is the Limited. The backup camera there as well. Push to open the tailgate, auto dampening. It also has the bed utility group in it with the LED lights and the bed rails down the side. Makes strapping things down a whole lot easier. Also has the mud flaps and the paint to match body flares there with the Limited package. We also have the push to open capless fuel system. 22-inch Limited rims wrapped in the Goodyear Eagle Touring tires, which are super cool. Also have the power running boards that kick down when you open the doors. A lot of people like that. The chrome strip down the side there for the Limited package as well. Has the chrome cap sport style mirrors as well. Front grille, chrome with the nice Ram logo there as well. Front park sensors as previously mentioned. You also have the LED fog lights and LED headlamps. These headlamps actually turn when you turn the steering wheel with them as well. If you look on the passenger side of the vehicle, you can see that it does not have an antenna. They removed them for the 2019-2020 body style. So it looks a little bit cleaner. They actually moved it up to the roof onto a little shark fin looking thing. But we'll go inside and we'll check it out. So guys, now that we're inside of the truck here, you can see that it has the nice black Limited style leather seating. It has the nice perforations there for the heated and cooled seats. You also have the leather wrap center console with a nice Limited badge in there. It also has the fancy stitching there as well. Has the nice like suede inserted center console here with a nice USB charging plug there. Tons of storage down here. The center console piece slides front and back here. You also have these little doors you can open for storage and for cup holders. Up at the front here you have a wireless charging pad for your cell phone. You also have a 3-prong plug like you'd have in your house. CD player, USB, USB-C, and auxiliary ports there as well. You also have the 8-speed torque flight transmission in this truck, so you got the park reverse neutral drive. You also have the 2-wheel drive, 2-high, 4-low, and 4x4 auto. 4x4 auto is a nice feature that Ram has introduced in these trucks, so you leave it in 4x4 auto and the truck will determine whether it needs to be in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive for your maximum traction, or if you're in 2-wheel drive so you can have maximum fuel efficiency. Also has the nav, a lot of people like that. Free, still actually part of the free year of your Sirius XM, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure how much of time it has left, but you do still have some. So hurry in and buy it, I guess. 12-inch screen. Panoramic sunroof, which is super cool. Power sliding rear window. Also has the universal garage door opener. Steering wheel is really nice on this truck. It has the wood grain up top and the real leather here on the sides. You also have the gauge cluster controls here on the left hand side, as well as the phone controls. It also has the advanced safety group, so you have your adjustable cruise control, so you can control how close or how far away you are from the vehicle you are pulling up on. It also has the air ride suspension in this truck, which is super cool. A lot of people do like that just to make it a little bit easier to get into. You can lower it down to a entry-exit style ride height, or you can lift it up to where it's an off-road ride height. Also has the lane departure and park assist in this truck. It also has the dual glove boxes, which is super cool. They also have this like gold trim around all the interior accents, which is very nice. We'll go into the back seat and we'll check it out. So guys, now that we're in the back seat, you can see that they carry through with the same nice leather that they use in the front. They also have this nice flip down center console. It actually has a console in it, which is pretty cool. 2 cup holders, so you got 2, 4, 6 cup holders in the center, as well as 1 on each door, so you have 10 cup holders in a vehicle that fits 5 people, which is pretty cool. You can also flip up the back seat here, and you get the little door here you can flip up, so it gives you more under the seat storage, or you can flip it up and have a bigger flat load surface, which is super awesome. You can also lock it in place here. I didn't mess it up. There we go. There. Limited floor mats in this one as well, obviously. Flip them up. You have the Ram bin in this truck. A lot of people like that. Tons of storage in there. You can hide them underneath. You can hide them. Here, rear heated and cooled seats, which is super awesome. USB and USB-C ports here as well. You also have the 3-prong plug again for your rear seat passengers. These back seats actually recline as well, which is super awesome. A little bit of a change doesn't look like it makes much difference, but it will definitely help on long trips. This truck also has the Harman Kardon stereo system in it, so it is the best one they offer, which is super awesome. So guys, if you're interested in this used 2019 Ram 1500 Limited, you can email us at sales@Redwater Dodge. Call us 780-942-3629, or better yet, you can come on in.